We're fighting for the best interest and the future of all our members. Members' choice slate of candidates, the goals, is to rebuild the strength and confidence that the membership had for Local 1001. A local with a strong membership will be a local with a leadership that will have the confidence, courage, and strength to stand and fight for the best interests and future of all its members. Goal number 1, allow the members to have a vote in the decisions made by the Local 1001. Give the members a voice in the decisions made by the local union leaders. Whenever there are discussions or negotiations regarding the current or future union contracts with the City of Chicago, the Executive Board will inform the membership at the regular monthly meetings, or if necessary, call a special membership meeting. The membership will be asked for their opinion in the form of a membership vote on whether or not the Executive Board should accept or decline an offer made by the City of Chicago. The Executive Board will consider the wishes of the majority of the membership when making any decisions regarding union contract. Goal number 2, business agents will have an increased presence and be available at all work sites. Give the members increased access to the officers and staff of Local 1001. All business agents appointed by the business manager of Local 1001 will be required to visit each and every work site and converse with the members on regular intervals. Each visit is to be documented and reported to the business manager. The business agents will be accessible to the employees and management of each work site at all times. The business manager or members of the Executive Board will visit each and every work site as often as possible. We will institute a weekend on-call business agent, where business agents and Executive Board members will rotate being on call during the weekends for any issues and to answer calls by the membership. It is our intent to ensure the Local 1001 is available to its members 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Goal number 3, fiscal responsibility in all activities of the local. Ensure Local 1001 is fiscally responsible in its everyday activities and decisions, and is operating within its means at all times. No more expensive, fuel-guzzling union vehicles. The local will immediately take action to replace the fuel-guzzling vehicles with less expensive, fuel-efficient vehicles to be used by the local, and strive to find ways to reduce spending and costs incurred by everyday local business and activity. Union stewards will be trained and certified by Local 1001 to effectively perform the duties of a steward. Goal number 4, union stewards in all work locations. Reinstate union stewards to all departments and work locations. Union stewards will be elected by the members working in those locations.